bird-friendly Amazonian presents en route through the wonderful world of nature with ornithiversity in Ecuadorian Amazonian. The Amazonian region of Ecuador is not as large as somebody could think of. It covers 131,000 square kilometers approximately. When traveling through the amazing world of nature of this region of Ecuador, the traveler will marvel at its unique natural ecosystems, from where each tree or geographical setting is as luxurious as the next, or sometimes the best in Ecuadorian Amazonia. It is the case when the traveler comes down through the province of Pastaza and asks about what to do in this province of natural landscape. One of the best activities to do in the capital of the province of Pastaza is bird watching.
Jutrinka, aviastiarmi. Raunjusa, iutritiarmi allí. Sasha, asia mukari. Vivencha, asimasia mukari. Iutre, tangkama kuarmi allí. Sonke, Aruta. Jutrinka, aviastiarmi. Kakara marmi allí. Aruta marmi allí. Ubrichate, iutritiarmi allí. Aguachate, iutritiarmi allí. Tumasamde, iishaguanmagi. Iutre, tangkama kuarmi. Banki, Churubia, Nasi. Yumi Safme.
Muy bien, gracias.